So for this problem, so the sum of the first 10 terms, so this is the number of terms, that's n, of an arithmetic sequence is 530. So the sum of the sequence, that's S sub n. Then what is the first term? So this is A sub 1. If the last term is 80, and this is A sub n for the last term, then what is the common difference? So this one is D. So these are the given for this problem and the unknowns. The first term, that's A sub 1, and the common difference, that's D. So first, we need to find the first term using this formula. Then substitute now all the values. So for the sum of the sequence, this is 530, then equals the number of terms, that's 10 divided by 2, then over the first term, this one is the unknown, plus A sub n, the last term, that's 80. Then to simplify, so we have this 530, then equals this 10 divided by 2, this is equal to 5. Then times A sub 1 plus 80. Then we have 530, then equals, so distribute. So this becomes 5 times A sub 1, then 5 times 80, this is 400. Then transpose this positive 400 to the other side. So this becomes 530 minus 400 equals 5 times A sub 1. Then this 530 minus 400, this is equal to 130 equals 5 times A sub 1. Then to solve for the first term, so divide both sides by 5. So therefore, the first term equals, so this 130 divided by 5, so this is equal to 26. So therefore, the first term is equal to positive 26. Then to find the common difference, so using this formula to solve for the common difference, so substitute now all the values. So we have A sub n, the last term, is 80, then equals the first term, that's 26, then plus the number of terms, that's 10, minus 1 times the common difference. Then we need to transpose this positive 26 to the other side. So this becomes 80 minus 26, then equals this 10 minus 1, this is equal to 9 times the common difference. Then this 80 minus 26, so this is equal to 54 equals 9 times the common difference. Then divide both sides by 9 to solve for this common difference. So 54 divided by 9, so therefore the common difference is equal to positive 6.